Hello everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Smart. So today I'm going to talk about Mood Indigo 2020. We all know that IIT Bombay organizes a fest, like where we can find all kind of tests, like events that we can participate in it, right? So whatever you know is something that I'm not going to talk about now. Apart from this, do you even know that you can get lot of free online coupon codes, free online certifications, free internships, free buy some more like free merchandise like their t-shirts, and free accommodation for the technical phase, everything by IIT Bombay. So if you wanted to know how is it possible, so we'll be talking about the same in this video. So watch this video till the end without skipping. By the way, I make these videos on free courses, certification, placement preparation, scholarship, training, etc. If you're looking into any kind of this data, I strongly recommend you to check my other videos and come back here. Now, come let us explore it together to know more about IIT Bombay Mood Indigo. So they have recently started inviting applications for Mood Indigo 2020 College Connect program. This is what I'm exactly talking about. So if you wanted to get IIT Bombay's freebase, as I mentioned there, you should participate in College Connect program, which is absolutely for free. So you'll be a Mood Indigo influencer. That's pretty simple, guys. Let me show you the packs of this. Now, if you see the packs, uh, so you'll be getting an internship as well, social work internship, which is with NGOs. You will get a chance for this. Apart from that, we also had certificate, which is organizational certificate. You can see this. This is the organizational certificate that you will get being a College Connect program. And you will also get some coupon codes for online courses and free certified courses, merchandise, just like t-shirts you can see out here, and some certified courses, coupon codes, VIP passes, and free accommodation. So for the technical fest, which is Mood Indigo, you will be given free uh, passes as well as free accommodation with free food there. So that sounds interesting, right? So if you see this, you can see in the thumbnail as well. There were pics of some I have posted on the thumbnail. If you see, that's were really good, right? So this is about social work internship that you will be given once you complete your College Connect program. So this will be a beginning by the time you attend for the fest. So before the fest, you need to complete some activities as being a part of Mood Indigo Influencer. So if you successfully complete Mood Indigo Influencer program, you will get all the perks that I have talked about, which is online courses, online certifications, and everything from IIT Bombay, and free work internships. So I just mean to tell that not just about courses and certifications, is really very much if you see their reviews you can understand how great it is to work with this team, and not just working here, you will enjoy a lot. Like this is about a 4 days on a fest, which is a technical fest. Like really people from across the country will come here, and this is something really incredible, you will enjoy the 4 days of your life very well here. You will not will never like to come away from that. So that's how this will be. This is something that you must concentrate on and you must participate in this. Now how does this work? You can see this: activities, leaderboard, joiners, blogs, etc. And there's partners, and apart from this you will see this. So you will be given some coins based on your activity. You can also do the referral works. How do referrals work? You can also refer your friends to get the coins. Once you earn the coins, you will be able to get all the things that I have talked about, which is internships, and there's free merchandise and VIP passes for that 4 day fest, and free accommodation, free internships, coupons, etc. This is really something great, and you will get a certificate from IIT Bombay. You can see this: exceptional performance and a completion of Indigo Art Project for Mood Indigo 2019 IIT Bombay. You will get something, a certificate like this, for being a part of this College Connect program, CCP. So now how to get started with this? You can see this. You can read out everything. I'll leave the link for this in the description. And let us see. So in order to get this, you need to sign up here. To sign up, you can use your Google accounts. You have to click this login button. It will take a while and will show you the available Google email. So I'm using my Gmail. Click EduSmart. So tell us about yourself. You need to sign up for this. So you can select your state, your city, your college, and date of birth, gender, year, mobile number, and you can click register. So once you complete this, you will be registered for this. Your sign up is complete. Now let me try this. So once you click register, you will get something like this. They will be asking your details like Facebook ID, your Instagram ID, LinkedIn ID, and as well as Twitter ID. You can use any of this. All fields are optional, so you need not even use this. Okay, this is not registered. Sorry, it is not compulsory or mandatory for this. You can pre-register for Indigo Art Project. We will go live in some time with this particular initiative. For the time being, you can pre-register for the program, and we will contact you and will notify you all about this multi-city and nations. We will go live in time. With, this is another one they are done. If you are interested, you can give this like the College Connect program pre-register. All fields are optional. I'm clicking this pre-register for College Connect program. So I have got registered now. You can see this pre-register has been registered. So this is how you will be completing. If you're interested, you can also go for this Indigo Art project, or you can also later register for that. That's all. You need to click I am done. And you're all set. It's a hoot to give you. We will contact you soon as we go live with all other events. Use your referral link to invite your friends. Top 10 members with this with the highest number of referrals in the upcoming 1 week will get internships and free co-comments. Use the below links to share with your referral links. Okay. Now you can see this. Check out your special presence. So it's a hoot to have you here. We will contact you as soon as we go. Use your referral link to invite your friends. Top 10 members with the highest number of referrals in the upcoming 1 week will get internships and free coupons. So this is how you are going to get free internships and free coupons, like a highest number of referrals in the coming 1 week. Whoever brings the highest number of referrals, like top numbers, will get internships and free coupons. Now you can use the below links to share with your referrals. Okay, I can use this links. So I will leave the link to this on. I will provide the link to this on my Twitter account. So what you have to do is you can join through my Twitter account so that you can use it. Okay, and let me show you this how to share it with your friends so that you can also do this and ask your friends to refer through this. So hi guys, Mood Indigo IIT Bombay is back with its 50th edition, and their all new College Connect program is here. I have joined the program. Now it's your turn. Use this link for registration. Pre-register now and get a chance to win internships and free coupons. Okay, this is how you are going to get internships and free coupons now. But apart from this, once you complete all the process, you will get another events which is really very much helpful for you. Uh, that's how I will be like once you complete this process, you will be asked to do some kind of task. It can be understood something like a ambassador program. So now you complete this ambassador program. By the time they start this technical fest, you will be allowed and you will be given certificate. You will be given free passes. You will be given merchandise, free certified courses, etc. So everyone will get that at that end. Okay, you don't worry that this is only for top 10 here. No, it is not like top 10. At the end, everybody will get this. So use my link, registration link. This is so that I will get some kind of registration coupons for me. Like I will get some what we call referrals. So that is about this referral program. So don't worry about this. You can use this link and you can complete this process to get the coupons and free certification courses. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any other questions, please post in the comment section.